We fight from India because India has occupied our Kashmir region. When Indian subcontinent divided, it was a treaty that when Indian subcontinent divides, where Muslims live more, this region is considered as Pakistan. In Kashmir, Muslims live in Muslim lives in majority. So because there was a Hindu king, and he said that it is in India's region, and from war we can get our Kashmir region.
No fight will affect our economy.
No, Pakistan, don't fight again because we want peace. By killing, there is wrong impact on the world. If Pakistan and India battle again, both countries are atomic power. If both countries are destroyed, uh, we have the example of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. They are destroyed, and their economy was also destroyed. Thank you. When we fight, innocent people are die both sides.
India has captured our so many factories and sites, so we want them and we will fight against them.
No, Pakistan, do not war against India because we want to peace. Although the although the war start, our economy is harmful. We want Kashmir because India has captured Kashmir. We can fight and get Kashmir free from them. We have to fight against India because first India fight on us because India president need Pakistan and need more area also. Thank you. If Pakistan and India will war again, we have an example of last month. Our mosques are destroyed by India so that we want peace. Thank you. We fight to India to warn Pakistan and take Kashmir. We do where innocent people will die and it will affect the economy. If Pakistan and India war again, we have the example of last month. India destroyed our mosques, and we also destroyed the defense SS-400 system. So both countries destroyed. So that's why we want peace. Fight from India to get our right of water. India has broke down the Indus Water Treaty, and we will fight against India to get our right. Water is very necessary for our lives, and without water, our lives are in danger. We have to fight India against because Pakistan fire on small areas. No, Pakistan do not war against India because we want to peace. Although the war start, both countries and the total area of Asia is destroyed, and both countries' economy is less. Pakistan don't fight again because by killing it has wrong impact on the world. Thanks.